Top TAILAGTE kit for Dallas Cowboys fans, perfect for any tailgate, barbecue, or even the beach. 3-piece kit, 2 NFL Game Day Elite chairs and 1 NFL Endzone Tailgate Table with the styles and colors of your team. NFL Game Day Elite Chair, folding chair featuring 2 team logos, built-in cup holder, and easy strap and carry feature. NFL Endzone Table, folding table featuring 3 team logos, built-in cup holders, and holds up to 75 pounds. Licensed canvas carry bag, NFL team logo carrying bag to easily transport and set up your table and chairs. Rawlings NFL Tailgate Set is officially licensed by the National Football League, NFL, and is perfect for your next tailgate. The kit contains 2 NFL Game Day Elite chairs and 1 NFL Endzone Tailgate Table. Equipped with easy Velcro strap and carry feature, so chairs can be easily collapsed and carried anywhere, with or without the carrying case. Also, it comes with NFL team logo carrying bag to easily transport and set up your table and chairs for any backyard barbecue, tailgate or camping trip. Top reviews from the United States. An amazing gift. I opened up the package to make sure things were good and checked the seams since some reviews said the seams bust. For $63 for Dallas, it was worth every penny. I definitely don't prefer anyone over 220 pounds to use these. They are not the best quality for fabric, but since my fiancé and I are under 180 pounds, I don't see an issue as long as we're not plopping hard onto the chairs. The table is perfect, no issues. The carry bag is nice and easy to put things back into the bag. Material is strong, but I would be gentle and take care of each piece, but it's 100% gift worthy. Very happy smiley face. After receiving, I bought another set for another family member.